guys, my name is Otto and I'm one of the alternative tour guides. We're gonna talk about how the city was completely turned upside down by hippies in the 70s. About free bikes, free love, squatters, coffee shops, crazy protests, street art, and the most beautiful area that Amsterdam has to offer, the civilian Jordaan area.
This was a really fascinating tour. We've looked at the way in which people in Amsterdam live. They live on houseboats. In the past they've squatted.
It was awesome, it was great. Otto was awesome.
I really liked it. It was really pretty interesting tour.
So you're free to join. It's a tip-based tour.
I would recommend this tour to anyone. It's been a great afternoon. Thank you.
Every day 1:30 at the Dam Square. Hope to see you soon.